3, 2, 1.
What is the term for gases that absorb heat in the atmosphere? The answer is B, greenhouse gases. Which of these shows did Betty Lynn play on? The answer is D, The Andy Griffith Show. Why is the narrator and husband having chicken? The answer is C, it is simple to bake. In which of these devices are iron sights used? The answer is C, firearms. The epidermis is made of which closely packed cells? The answer is C, epithelial cells. Where do skeletal muscles usually attach? The answer is B, end of bones. What organs secrete hormones that help maintain homeostasis? The answer is A, the kidneys. When was the Second Republic established? The answer is B, 1958. In what year was the 1958 movie starring Sofia Costanza Brigida Villani Sicilin set? The answer is C, 1941. When did Cruyff win his third Ballon d'Or? The answer is D, 1974. Which item is used for protection from chemical splashing? The answer is D, safety goggles. What would be the next logical thing to do? The answer is A, remove the metal causing the problem. If you were running a race and passed the person in second place, what place would you be in? The answer is A, second. The Greek monarchy was abolished when? The answer is A, 1924. What may be the reason why they didn't get searched? The answer is C, they didn't look suspicious. Which system of the body is responsible for bringing air into the body? The answer is D, respiratory system. What got Linda Shook so excited at the event? The answer is B, speaking with Elizabeth Dole. A woman is shown leaning against a wall. Several ballerinas are shown in a room. Different techniques. What happens next? The answer is A, are demonstrated by them. A group of students are researching changes in climate in their region. Which of these would best provide evidence of changes in temperature and rainfall over a period of years? The answer is A, tree rings. What element is prevalent in a plateau? The answer is C, silicon. Who was the first U.S. president to take office while unmarried?
The answer is D, Thomas Jefferson.
When did Muawiyah dissolve the navy? The answer is B, 649. Why is the narrator expressing grief and pain? The answer is D, the narrator experienced a split. What heavenly object is closer to the planet where the TV was invented? The answer is B, moon. What year was 87 million pounds of Dell equipment recycled? The answer is D, 2006. The rate, R, of a zero-order chemical reaction or right arrow B can be expressed as which of the following? The answer is D, R equals K. Horn, how would you do this? The answer is A, alerts danger. In what Denzel Washington movie did Christopher Walken appear as Denzel's ex-colleague from CIA? The answer is B, Man on Fire. Where might they have traveled? The answer is A, Paris. What is the most common and popular sport in Honduras? The answer is C, soccer. In what year was Karl Malden born? The answer is C, 1912. Who might the rascal in this story be? The answer is A, Rascal is a pet dog. What year was Guam colonized? The answer is A, 1668. When atomic orbitals hybridize, the valence electrons occupy these. The answer is B, newly created orbitals. Screws move objects to a higher elevation by increasing what? The answer is C, force applied. Why may Kara have knocked? The answer is A, she was the oldest. The separation of compounds on the basis of their solubilities in a given solvent is known as what? The answer is A, fractional crystallization. In order for crops to grow food safely, pesticides are used on them. When it floods, this causes what to be poisonous? The answer is D, runoff. Why does he say it is the first Xmas without his mom? The answer is A. His mom is not present. Amino groups are found within amino acids, nicknamed the building blocks of what? The answer is D. Proteins. What is true of the man? The answer is C. He is a dream. How did they feel about her performance? The answer is C. They were happy and thought she did well. Which is correct about the calcium atom? The answer is B. It contains 20 protons and 20 electrons. What type of party was being planned? The answer is D. One for All Hallows' Eve. When was the British Museum in Bloomsbury founded? The answer is C. 1753. In what year was the City Polytechnic of Hong Kong founded? The answer is B. 1984. German, English, and Afrikaans were the official languages until then in Namibia. The answer is C. 1990. When did the Anglo-Irish War end? The answer is B. 1921. When did the Orthodox Church of Greece proclaim being a Freemason was an act of apostasy? The answer is D. 1933. Why would he say the food was divine?